How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can win the podium vehicle in the casino on the wheel every single time or every single spin. So it's pretty easy. Basically what you're going to want to do is first off, there are a couple things before we get to that. Actually, you are going to want to make sure you have a fresh wheel every time, which means that and I'll show you what a fresh wheel is here in a second when we get there. But what you are going to want to do is you're going to want to load in from story mode, okay? You don't want to load in from one online session to the other. You are going to want to go ahead and load in from story mode. So once we're in story mode, you are going to go ahead and you can either push down on this and go straight to online if you have the character that you want. But say that you have multiple characters, you can go to menu, you can pause, go to online, and you can go down to choose character, and this will allow you to choose whichever character you want to play with on GTA Online in order to win the car for. This may take a couple of seconds to load in, but yeah, you'll basically get a screen like this, and I do believe that you can only have 2 online characters at once. But yeah, once you're on this screen, you will have the ability to choose whichever character you want. And I'm going to go with this one. All right, guys, so once you're loaded into GTA Online with whatever character that you have chosen, you are going to want to go ahead and come to the casino, wherever you're at on your on the game, on the map. In order to find the casino, you will go to your map, and the casino will be up in this area right here near the racetrack, and it will be this diamond icon right here. If you can't find it, you can also scroll up and down on here and find casino there, and just set a waypoint. It will highlight the path, the route green, not green, purple for you in order so you can follow it. So say if you're all the way up here and you don't really know how to get there, it will show you the best and fastest way to get there. But once you're there, you are going to want to go ahead and go inside. And just real quick, this is a vehicle that I won on the podium. This was a podium car that I won on the wheel with this method a while back, and I can show you a collection of vehicles that I've actually won from the podium vehicle with this method. So it does work. But real quick, but yeah, we will go ahead and go inside, and I will show you exactly what you can do to win the podium vehicle as well every single time. All right, so once you're in the casino, you can walk in from over here and just look at the vehicle. You can decide if you want it or not. I, in fact, did not really like this car, so I didn't really care that much about winning this vehicle. But so what you're going to want to do is, I've already used my spin just to try to get some money or some chips or anything like that. But this is a fresh wheel. So basically what a fresh wheel is, you're going to want to make sure that the clothing icon is at the top and the vehicle icon is over here 2 spaces to the left. That is a fresh wheel, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to walk up to it and just go ahead and see. I've already used my spin today, but in order to get this, you do have to load in the exact same way that I did from story mode to a online session straight from story mode, just like that. So, but basically what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to on the D-pad. Let me go ahead and pause it. You are going to want to use the left stick. You're going to use the left stick, and once it starts 3 seconds, you are going to push slowly over to the left to the 9 o'clock section. So act like this is a clock, okay? And this is the 9 to 6 method. So basically what you're going to do is over to the left for 3 seconds, and then you are slowly just going to bring it down to the 6 o'clock position right there. And that method, it may take a little bit of time to master it. It is a little tricky. Now, do keep in mind, if you don't win it before the wheel stops spinning, you can force close the game. So in order to do that, you would go press the Xbox button, go down, hit the menu button, and just quit. And you would be able to load back into an online session and win that, try for that vehicle again. And you can do that as many times as you like in order to win that vehicle and just try over and over again. But just like I said, remember, it does take some skill and some technique, so it may take you a little bit of time. But once you master it, you will be able to win that podium vehicle every single time, given that you have a fresh wheel and you use that 9 to 6 method, okay? So I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how. One more thing, guys. I did want to bring you guys back here and just show you the number of cars that I've won from the podium in the casino. Now, do keep in mind, I did win these a while back, so these are older vehicles. I haven't played this game in a while, but yeah, this was one. I was driving this earlier. You already saw that. I believe this green car was one that I had won in the casino as well as a podium vehicle. But let's see here. If we go up another flight, let's see here. All right, so I believe that this one definitely is. I believe this red one was as well. Maybe that white one, I can't remember. I think this one was too. Yeah, it definitely looks like that. This vehicle was off the podium as well. And I think I have one more up here. Let's see here. Yes, this one right here. I did won this one from the podium as well. So yeah, it does work. You can win multiple vehicles from the podium if you just, like I said, practice that 9 to 6 method. Very slowly, 3 seconds and down slowly. And if you don't win it the first time, you can force close the game and reload it. Rejoin from story mode just to make sure you get a fresh wheel. Remember, like I said, if that doesn't work, you can just keep trying until it does work. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. And if it was, please, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But yeah, if you don't know how, Red knows how.